dictation of some advanced words outlines. So we ready? One, two, three, start. Can you give us Commonwealth of Australia? Can you give us any information? Conscientious scruples. Can you suggest anything? Can you tell us? Considerable amount, considerable degree, cash in hand, considerable time, cause and effect, course of business, certain amount, current account, certain extent, current year, certainly, certainly not, charging us, circumstances of the case, date of, decidedly not, circumstantial evidence, declined to answer, clean sheet, deposit account, derive any benefit, come to the conclusion, derive to no benefit, come and go, come in contact, come into contact, did he, did it not, did not I, did you ever, did you have, as far as you are concerned, as far as I can recollect, as far as I know, as far as you know, as far as possible, as good as the other, as I am, as considered, as I said before, as I think, as long as possible, as may be required, as much as possible, as near as possible, as near as you can fix it, as near as you can recollect, as near as you can remember, as near as you can say, as near as you can state, as there is, as there is not, as will be, as they will, as to how the, as much as possible, as to whether, as near as I can fix it, as usual, as near as I can recollect, as you, as near as I can remember, at a glance, as near as I can say, as near as I can state, at the beginning, at the rate of, at or near.